Good morning, troops. This video is going to be a little bit more interesting today. We're going to be looking at the 786-1272 bullish pattern for Cosmos. That's Atom. Okay, so welcome back to another video in the ABCD harmonic pattern series. Let's get some price action on. You know by now how we go. If you don't, watch some older videos so we're not going over the same thing every time. Okay, close to the 786-1272 advanced PRZ. Let's get it. See this? Bang on the top of my line. You would not have this, you would have the 1272. This is the advanced PRZ in action. You would have been front run. This is why anybody who wants to take this seriously must join the Discord. There is no choice. Unfortunately, there's nowhere else that can teach you because I created it. Many people hanging on the sidelines hoping they can figure it out, but you know, nobody has up until now. The market's been around a while, so you know, just join us and get it over with. So we got our initial push here. We're back in the PRZ, okay? So I and the guys that work with me would have got 45% returns on spot, which is not bad at all. Where did we stop? We probably wouldn't have sold the top. We might have sold into weakness. We would have sold into weakness on the 236. So that's 35, and on 20x, okay, 700%. Currently this is our bottom. Okay, so we're at 700%, we would have sold it. Now we're back here, we'd be averaging into our long in this grey box now, okay? Can pull this along. Now we can't be sure the bottom's in yet, but normally we draw in the 0.5 to 618. We know it's key area for support and resistance. 382, not looking great. Into the ratio box. I'll draw it in for visual representation. We start to sell some around here, realizing the struggle. And a nice breakthrough. Not holding, not ideal. And now we're bearish off the 236, back into the PRZ, and failure. Oh no, they don't hold forever, guys. They don't hold forever. Now note how we are now bearish off our bottom before. Clear our test of weakness, people. So let's go over the calculations and then let's look at things a little bit deeper. Okay, so we already know, yeah, had we bought from this line, sold into this ratio box, we got a clean push through. Maybe you would have sold here 100% returns. Okay, 100%, that's good. Likely would not have sold the top. Okay, that would have been 125%. If you would have, fantastic. I would not have. Okay, I follow my own system and that's not part of it. I would have sold more when we broke back down below here with this price action. Again, probably closing most at around 80% returns, 1600 on our 20x, of course. We hit here again, but we didn't get a violent push up. We have now invalidated. How depressing, right? So our Fibonacci is no good. Our ratio is no good. And our PRZ, now resistance, sucks. Okay, so what now? What do we do now? Look deeper. There's some ugly ass PA. I'm going to turn this off so it's not confusing for your eyes. Ugly ass PA, but look. Swing low, swing high. So 786, the 1272. The same harmonic. Okay. Advanced PRZ. And the 1272 marked off. So, let's see how we go. Second time. See how we're finding resistance in this old PRZ now, and back into this one. But will it hold? Now we're right on the line again, so you did not need my help for this one. You need my help with the stop loss and how much leverage perhaps, but you know, proving a point. You can still find these without me. Very clean, very nice to see it. A little bit below, clean, clean. Push up, this is no longer resistance. Turn this off, it's gone, okay? Clear push from our potential reversal zone. So, of course, we add in Fibonacci from our high to our low. Pencil in our 0.5 to 618. We'll leave it red. Resistance again. You can start to understand why this is so important, this area. And down again, back into the PRZ. That's a round trip, and that is us up to date. This is live. So, from the 1272 to the 0.5 is 172% returns on spot. What's the math? 3,400 and 40%, I think, yeah. So 3,400, 40% returns on a 20x. You would have sold when you seen 1, 2 triple tap, not looking healthy. You would have sold a lot here, and we completely round tripped. So how many trades have we made? It's a lot of returns from ABCD patterns alone. If you don't know the numbers, come and get the cheat sheet. Okay, that's all I can say. Copy them down, start looking for them. If you don't, you're foolish. People telling you need all these fancy methods, you don't. You just need to know how to apply Fibonacci and your ABCD patterns correctly. Knowing the advanced method, of course, would make a huge difference to your returns. However, not always necessary, as I've proven multiple times now. Okay, folks, this has been the bearish ABCD 786 to 1272. We have looked at 2 of them here for this video for Atom. Thank you for watching.